You come here to ask America's taxpayers for millions of their hard-earned dollars. In the past, you've emitted mercury, polluted streams of contaminated fish, destroyed mountaintops, spread lung and heart disease, and released more CO2 than all of our nation's automobiles combined. Now you claim you've seen the error of your ways and cleaned up your act. My good sir, in all honesty, are you really clean?
You gotta be sincere.
Are you sick?
No, it's this darn coal plant. My asthma's been acting up ever since I came on campus.
Well, what's wrong with the coal plant?
So much. Don't you even know where coal comes from?
Well, I guess I never really thought about it.
Well, let's take a closer look.
MSU is powered by the T.B. Simon coal plant. Although coal is mined from various parts throughout the country, most coal in America comes from the Appalachian Mountains. It is obtained through a harsh process called mountaintop removal. Come take a look.
Strip mining or mountaintop removal is a harsh process that often occurs in the Appalachian Mountains. Explosives are used to blow off the tops of mountains, creating easier access to the coal that is underground. By doing this, trace elements from hundreds of feet underground are unnaturally exposed to the atmosphere. The excess rock is dumped into the adjacent valleys, plateauing the mountain area and burying the streams. This drastically affects the water quality of downstream rivers. Elevated levels of sulfate, calcium, magnesium, iron, and others are present. The waters often increase in hardness, alkalinity, and acidity as a result of valley fills from mountaintop removal. This drastically affects the cleanliness of the water and soil, affecting the environment and communities nearby.
Wow! That really is dirty. I wouldn't want to live by those mines.
Yeah, but it doesn't stop there. Coal mining is only a small part of coal's impact on the environment. Wait till you see what goes on in the coal mining process.
All right.
The Simon coal plant here at MSU is the largest on-campus coal plant in the United States. It burns up to 200,000 tons of coal each year. The combustion of coal affects the quality of the air, thus affecting the health of the students and other members of the community that surround it.
Coal is a very impure substance, and it contains many trace elements. Because coal takes millions of years to form, it collects sulfur, sodium, phosphates, chlorides, nitrates, arsenic, mercury, plutonium, uranium, and more. When burned, these elements are released into the atmosphere, and some react with water, producing harmful substances. A common reaction is when sulfur dioxide reacts with water, producing sulfuric acid. This is a major source of acid rain, which damages water, forests, and soil. The trace elements that get into the air also affect human health. Dizziness, headache, eye irritation, nasal irritation, coughing and shortness of breath, sore throat, and lung disease are all common health problems that occur as a result of coal fire-powered plants.
I can't believe we didn't know about that.
Yeah, most people don't know how bad it is.
Yeah, a lot of people here at MSU don't even know what's happening. What do you think is going to happen if we keep it up?
Well, let's take a look at China. They're the largest coal-consuming country in the world.
Man, maybe Professor Arjun knows what's going on.
China is the leading consumer of coal in the world. About 2/3 of China's electricity is powered by coal, while the U.S. is close behind with 50%. Excess combustion of coal has led to chronic health problems and epidemics due to the trace elements that get into the air. If Americans continue to burn coal at increasing rates, our environment may become similar to China's.
16 of the world's 20 most polluted cities are in China, largely because it is the leading coal-burning country in the world. Major health epidemics are a result of this. Arsenic epidemics have polluted several Chinese cities. but arsenic is considered one of the most hazardous elements. It can enter the body through inhalation, ingestion, and skin absorption. It will distribute throughout various parts of the human body, causing chronic arsenic poisoning in many Chinese citizens. Fluorine epidemics have also broken out in over 14 Chinese provinces and have affected more than 30 million people. With awful air quality, it is difficult for plants to grow in heavily polluted areas.
I know so much more about coal now. Thanks for helping me figure it out.
No problem. I learned a lot too.
Yeah, I never realized that coal had such a negative impact on the environment.
Yeah, I really think we should find cleaner energy sources.
Hey, well, guess what? Cleaner energy, it's good for your cough and the world.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Light a little bit